Okay, guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check out my book on Amazon.com, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi Chukwueze. Thank you. You rock. Stick around for the news.
Ifeazụike na ndokwa.
Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ
Nọnyekwa ya mmụọ gị.
ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
Ekele abịalụ ga-esite na nkwado ndị Lord Vice Foods and Beverage Limited Nnoyi. Ndị na-alụpụta Lord Vice Bread nọ na nọmba 1 Nwosu Mmadụka Close, Nwulu Nnoyi, 081-49-82-82-54. Everyone at the FM, 24 hours of informative, educative, and entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On everyone at the 103.5 FM. Listen to news updates on everyone at the 103.5 FM immediately after injury, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Everyone at the FM breaks the news with actualities.
And the link that we would appropriate for Radio Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm.
Good evening and welcome to Bona, the 103.5 FM news update today, Thursday, the 21st day of March 2024. And the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifeanyi Chukwueze is my name. The headlines. Rights activists groups seek justice for Anambra man crippled by government officials. World Bank hails Mba's strikes on water, Agric development, pledges support for livestock farmers. Abia begins a reconstruction of Ariaria, Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway access road. Panic as nurse dies as of Lassa fever in Ebonyi. U.S. Justice Department held plea deal discussions with Julian Assange. Now, details. Rights activists groups seek justice for Anambra man crippled by government officials. Some legal practitioners and human rights groups have urged the governor of Anambra State, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, to ensure that members of the state's special anti-tout squad who brutalized and crippled an Onitsha-based businessman Winfred Ezike, aka Mbrimba, face justice. Pro-democracy groups Campaign for Democracy and Human Rights, Liberty, Access and Peace Defenders Foundation also condemned the torture of Mbrimba by men of the Special Anti-Terror Squad of Anambra State. Mbrimba, who is also a chieftain of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, the ruling party in Anambra State, was seen in a viral video circulating on social media since last week, where men of the anti-terror squad were beating and maiming him with short pistols and machetes over a yet to be disclosed offense. Correspondence findings showed that the incident happened at the underground cell of the anti-terror operatives located at Opiweka in Onitsha last Tuesday. In the horrible viral video, which has continued to receive wide condemnations across the state, anti-terror operatives were shown continuously hitting the man with a short pistol while questioning him over a yet to be known offense. The officials were filming him as they continued to brutalize his ankles and knees with the short pistols and machetes. World Bank hails Mba's strides on water, Agric development, pledges support for livestock farmers. The World Bank has commended Governor Peter Mba of Enugu State over his numerous developmental strides in the areas of water and agriculture, particularly livestock farming, stressing that the governor's efforts at transforming the state would help in upscaling its agricultural productivity. The commendation was made on Wednesday by the National Coordinator of Livestock Productivity and Resilience Supporter Project, a World Bank assisted project, Sanusi Abubakar, during the project implementation support mission, as well as a working visit to the governor at the government house in Enugu. In his address, Abubakar explained that the LPRES is a 6-year World Bank assisted project under the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, which seeks to improve productivity and commercialization of livestock value chains, adding that they were in Enugu to lend the support and complement the state government's efforts around the commercial livestock agriculture and value chain development in order to address systemic weaknesses and challenges stifling the needed growth and full emancipation of the livestock sector in the state. While lauding Governor Mba for showing significant commitment in meeting the project onboarding criteria, he maintained that his administration's giant strides in agriculture, provision of water, and developmental projects will assist the LPRES mission in the state. Speaking, Governor Mba, who was represented by the Deputy Governor, Barrister Ifeanyi Osai, extolled the team for the good work it was doing, while maintaining that the state government was mindful of playing its part in every partnership that would create value for the state and bring progress for the people of Enugu State. Abia begins a reconstruction of Ariaria Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway Access Road. Governor Alex Oti of Abia State has said that his government awarded the contract for the reconstruction of the access road from the Ariaria International Market to the Osisioma axis of the Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway to alleviate the plight of the traders. According to the governor, the project will commence before the end of March 2024. He made the disclosure on Tuesday during an inspection of the access road from Ariaria Market to the expressway. The governor said it was just yesterday that I awarded contract for the reconstruction of this road. So before the end of this week, the contractor will move in fully and commence work in earnest. The road will be done from Ariaria Junction down to the expressway to enable people to come into the market without swimming. I urge you people to help in keeping Aba clean. The governor directed officials of Ministry of Environment and relevant agencies under it 1 week to clear the road of the huge garbage that has been blocking the free flow of water along the road. He asked the traders to help keep Aba clean by cleaning their shops and environment. Panic as nurse dies of Lassa fever in Ebonyi. An outbreak of Lassa fever has claimed the life of a nurse treating patients at Alex Ekweme Federal University Teaching Hospital, Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. A source at the hospital said the nurse, Egwo Nkechi, died last weekend and was buried immediately based on Lassa fever control protocol. She had been attached to the emergency department of AEFUTHA since December 2019. She was a graduate of Ebonyi State University, Abakaliki, and hailed from Ikwu local government area of the state. When contacted for his reaction, the Commissioner for Health in Ebonyi State, Dr. Moses Ekuma, confirmed the outbreak of Lassa fever in the state, saying the state epidemiologists and other health personnel are on top of the outbreak. Actually, there's an outbreak of Lassa fever. It is not only in Ebonyi State. It affected other places, more especially those areas that are prone to the outbreak. The state epidemiologists and other health team are on top of it to ensure its prevention and control, he said. Now we move over to the foreign scene. U.S. Justice Department held plea deal discussions with Julian Assange. The United States Justice Department had a preliminary discussions about a plea deal with Julian Assange at one point in the case against the 52-year-old Australian over his alleged mishandling of classified material, though a deal is neither imminent nor assured. According to a person briefed on the matter, such discussions are a routine feature of a criminal case, and there haven't been recent talks about a plea in the WikiLeaks founders case. There is not currently an official plea offer from U.S. prosecutors, the source said. Julian Assange is facing extradition to the U.S. and the prospect of 175 more years behind bars. We have been given no indication that the Department of Justice intends to resolve the case, and the United States is continuing with as much determination as ever to seek his extradition on all 18 charges, exposing him to 175 years in prison. Barry Pollack, a lawyer for Assange, said. The Justice Department declined to comment. The Wall Street Journal first reported on the discussions. The case against Assange was unsealed in 2019 in Virginia in connection with the publication of thousands of documents containing military secrets and other sensitive information leaked by a U.S. Army intelligence analyst. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Rights activist groups seek justice for Anambra by government officials. World Bank hails Mba's strikes on water. Agric development pledges support for livestock farmers. Abia begins a reconstruction of Araria, Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway access road. Panic as nurse dies of Lassa fever in Ebonyi. U.S. Justice Department held plea deal discussions with Julian Assange. Here is a public service announcement about a missing child. Chikamso Faith Oguta, female, dark complexion, 8 years old, hails from Ebonyi State but based in Mpo, Anambra State, with her aunt Okamaka, father Matthew Oguta, mother Chekube Oguta. Anybody with information on Chikamso Faith Oguta should contact 080-6411-4168 or 07048 666604. There is also announcement about a missing black school bag that contains some male clothes, a barrister's wig and gown, some documents which includes the Bachelor's of Law certificate, law school qualifying certificate, call to the bar certificate, national ID card, a receipt for payment of body of benchers fee, remitter printout for payment of alumni fee, online alumni form with some documents printout. He was misplaced on Saturday, 9th March 2024, around 9 p.m. in a tricycle keke that took off from Afompo to Ugunwasike. It belongs to Jude Waluchuku Okeke. For any information on this, please call 080-3716-3195 or 081-2425-3995. There is also information like someone misplaced a carton of aluminum foil in tricycle keke at Afompo, moving to Ugunwasike. The owner of this should come to Ebon at the 103.5 FM to lay claims to them. Someone also forgot 1 carton of sachet tomato paste, some packets of drugs tied in a black nylon. The owners of this should come to Ebona, the 103.5 FM, to lay claims to these items that was forgotten in a public vehicle that took off from Relief Market Onitsha, leading down to Enugu Abagana Road. Come to Ebona the FM to lay claims to this. You just listened to news update on Ebona the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona, the FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. Igbo bụ Igbo ekene m asị na ọkụ nna gonyere nwata n'aka adịghị alụgbukwanụ ya anyị na-ekwu okwu Ugo Salama na Abatete ọkala mmadụ ọkala mmụọ dibịa nna nyere nwa alụsị na-enye ego alụsị na-enye nwa nke oyibo kpọrọ fertility god asị na omebelu ma chiekwena onye ụta atakwana ya Ugo Salama Abatete si gị bịa ndị ife na-esiri ike ụmụ nwaanyị na-achọ nwa ijegolu ugwu jee na ndịda mana ife na-eme nwere isi Ugo Salama Abatete si gị bịa ịbụ n'ikorobịa maọbụ nwa agbọghọbịa ịgbakọtago mbọ mana ife a na-eme nwere isi Ugo Salama si gị bịa ọ sị na ife ọ na-esu bụ oke awele oke igbugo mana ọka ọ dị mma ị na-azụ apịa yetuye ịra ka ịra were ọsọ jebe na nke Ugo Salama na Abatete ọfisi ya dị na Abatete maọbụ ịkpọ ya na 07044791739 ọzọkwa 07044791739. Admission, sale of forms for 2024-2025 academic session into JS1, JS2, and SS1. NTC1 is ongoing at Archbishop Biri Technical College, Ugidi. It is a science and technology-based college for secondary creativity and innovation mixed with entrepreneurship skills. Available departments includes electrical installation and maintenance works, building construction, computer craft, GSM repairs, motor vehicle mechanics, and creative arts. We have ultra-modern hostel facilities, constant power supply, healthy water system, modern library, laboratories, standard health clinics, conducive classrooms, and serene study environment. Entrance examination holds on Saturday, 23rd of March 2024. Accreditation begins by 7 a.m. Examination starts by 8 a.m. Venue, School Hall. Call 090-7005-8396. Sign, Management. How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be,
Government, whatever.
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets, in your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifanishku, number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Emas in Ebonadi corner 24/7, 24/7. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebonadi 103.5 FM with Martin Ifanishukwu Ekisi every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonadi 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Pick a date.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check out my book on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifanishukwu Ekisi. Thank you. The rock. Dalo,